Hey everyone, today we are whipping up something seriously delicious, homemade natural chocolate protein bars. These beauties are loaded with more than 6 grams of plant-based protein per serve, plus plenty of gut-friendly fiber. They are the perfect snack after a workout, a mid-afternoon energy boost, or a wholesome treat for the kids. Let's jump right in. Into a food processor, add the good stuff. Half a cup rolled oats, half a cup almonds, 2 tablespoons cacao powder, quarter cup chia seeds, about half a cup pitted dates, and 2 tablespoons of water. Now blitz it up until you get a nice coarse mixture, something that sticks together when you press it but still has a bit of texture. If you've got a sweet tooth, go ahead and drizzle in a little honey, totally optional and you can adjust it to taste. Next, grab a container lined with baking paper. Press the mixture in firmly, spreading it out evenly so your bars hold together beautifully. Pop it into the fridge for 1 to 2 hours to chill and set. Once it's nice and firm, take it out and slice crossways into bars. And that's it. You've just made your own natural chocolate protein bars, healthy, tasty, and packed with goodness. If you're wondering whether the dry chia seeds in these bars are safe, especially because dry chia seeds can swell quickly when they hit liquid and sometimes cause people to worry, here's the good news. When you slice the mix into 6 bars, each one has only about 6 grams of chia, well within the safe daily amount. Moreover, even though the seeds go in dry, they don't stay that way. The dates and a splash of water give them moisture to soak up while the mixture chills. So, by the time you eat the bar, the chia is soft, hydrated, and completely safe to enjoy. Enjoy every bite, and happy snacking!